So how y'all doing? Today I got Chancey here, and I originally met her because she was having real bad headaches and migraines, which she was dealing with, and help navigate that kind of a little bit and be a little pain relief. So we're going to take it over to her. And how you feeling today?
Well, I feel great. The first time I had my session with you, true enough, I've been suffering chronic migraines for roughly 10 years or so. On medication, having to take pills every night to keep the headaches to lie dormant. Ever since you came to give me my first adjustment, I really haven't had to take my medication.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
I haven't taken my medication I don't know how long. I can't even tell you my dang on pills are at this point because I haven't taken them so long.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, okay. We're going to get you seen, okay?
Yeah, that sounds great.
I'm going to just have you go face down. Yes, ma'am. Any pain with any of that?
No. Okay. I have this part in the lower part of that.
Lower part of your back? Okay. So like you saw Miguel, this is just the length in your spine. Just a little bit, create a little space. So we can make some movement happen in the gentlest way possible. I actually feel your rib cage shifted a little bit too. Did you feel that? Okay, good. Excellent. That's okay. Cool.
Will you get some of this on video? On BTS? Thank you. No pain right here? Okay, good. Right on this side. Okay, good.
Your bar will be placing a little bit of tension on your back. Yeah, I already know. That's why I said your rib cage is shifted a little bit. You catch it. Deep breath for me. Let it all the way out. How was that?
Woo. Okay, that brought tears to my eyes.
Give me a deep breath real quick. We'll give you a second.
Woo.
I know that was a lot. I had to shift your rib cage just a little bit.
Woo. All right.
You okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. One more deep breath, Chance. Let it all the way out. There you go. Okay. Tell me if you need the pillow or not. Yeah. How does that feel? You want the pillow?
It feels fine.
Okay. There you go. Just like that. Scoot your toilet in. Just like that. You ain't gonna fall. You ain't gonna fall. Loosey goosey. There you go.
Woo. All right, look, that first one got me.
Yeah, just like that. I know. There you go. Loosey goosey. Actually, yeah, just like that.
Okay.
On the other side.
Oh, man.
There you go. Yeah, just like that. More comfortably. Put your head up. Yeah, just like that. Yes. Lucy Goosey. There you go. On your back.
Oh.
It's down just about one. Oh, you good, you good. How's that feel? Now I'm gonna have this. All right. Lift your head one more time. Right there.
Oh, that's perfect.
There you go.
That feels great.
You feel a little stretching in your low back? There you go. There you go. Do that 2 more times.
Okay. Okay. Look, I got popped down here, look like that.
Yeah. And you was at ease. All I did was had you a little tense, create a little stretch, and it actually traveled all the way through your back.
Oh, man. Whew. Everybody just experienced it.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, man.
There you go. Take a deep breath. I know that was big. Now I'm stuck a little bit. There you go. This feels okay to your knee? Okay. Alright. Mobilizing the bones, creating some space. That's it. Okay, I feel that. Yeah. I had that done with teeth. Feel weird. See any range of motion real quick. That's it. You had any pain in any of that?
Yeah.
Where? What side?
Do what you just did to that side.
Oh, like this?
Right down here.
Okay.
Listen.
What about this side?
And that side.
Okay. Yeah. That feel okay? When I do that?
Yeah. I got that one real good.
She funny. Give it 1 second.
I don't know. Like, I'm trying different pillows. Like, it's something wrong with my neck. So that, I needed that.
Okay. You got a real soft pillow, or you got like firmer pillows, or what?
So, I had like a
Yeah, for the last thing, I'm gonna just give you a little neck stretch.
Okay.
And then after I'm done with that, I'm gonna have you sit up towards the end. And I'm gonna just mobilize your shoulders just a little bit.
Okay.
You ain't been having any shoulder problems yet? Okay.
Just that neck.
Actually, before I do that, let's do this. How does that feel?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Yeah, it was a little bit, but not. That's it. Like.
On that side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. On that.
This one don't hurt as bad as that one.
All right. So let me address this one more time. Because I didn't get a full.
that was it.
There we go. And give me a deep breath.
But listen, Mr. Cracks, Dr. Cracks ain't got nothing on you.
I'm weak.
He put microphones on his, man. I know my whole house heard that one. God. Sheesh.
Yeah,
where you been all my life?
Yeah, we gonna get at it a second.
Woo.
Yeah. Let your body kind of integrate that, because I know it was a lot.
I needed that one. Oh my God. A good old hot shower. I'm sleep like a baby.
Oh
tonight.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right. So for this last one, I'm gonna just give you a stretch. Okay.
Okay.
But it's gonna be like a quick stretch, so it's not gonna hurt.
Okay.
It's just gonna be something quick. But it's gonna create some space in your neck, give you a little bit of room, kind of like heal and adapt to everything that we do in the day. Okay. Lift some. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yeah, give me 2 deep breaths after that. You feel that in your upper back a little bit? Mm-hmm. I felt that too. Cause you felt real compressed in your lower neck. Like it felt like it was stacked on top of each other.
That was great.
Yeah, what I did was a lot though, so I'm gonna take my time. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time real quick.
Yeah, you did more this time, which was the first time.
Mm-hmm. That's because that was our first time, and I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to do too little. I was still kind of feeling you out a little bit, and yeah. So headaches ain't something you play around with. You don't. Yeah, you don't do too much because it can spasm. It gets stuff spasms.
Whew, that was great.
I'm weak. There you go. So you come up and then towards the end, okay? There you go. There you go. Just take a second.
That was great. My husband get it like mine.
Nice, a little bit. Here we go. That I feel. That's what I'm talking about.
That was great. Thank you. My bad. Yeah.
She talking about it, no.
Yeah, real.
Come on, man. I got you.